Welcome back to the channel, guys. So I'm out here taking a hike, and I decided to just stop and do a quick recording on a lav mic that I bought the other day, which I thought was interesting. I got it on Amazon for a cheap price. I believe it was around 20 something bucks, and it had a lot of reviews on it, 4 and 5 star. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shot and test it out to see if it is actually worth it. First of all, sorry about the audio. The audio right now is coming directly out of the phone that I'm recording with, and that will change in a few minutes here as I show you the lav mic and connect it to my other phone so that you can hear what it sounds like. The reason I have to connect it to my other phone is because the one I'm recording with has a lightning connector, and I don't have the adapter to connect the lav mic to it, so I have to record it on my other phone. But anyway, let's get to it. So yeah, you know, I bought this one because you know, I wanted something that I can just quickly plug and play. So, you know, just plug it right into my phone or device and start recording without having to connect it to an app like the Smart Mic Plus wireless Bluetooth lav mic that I reviewed a while back, which you can check around here. That one, it sounds okay. It's not that bad, but you know, like I said, you have to connect it to an app, and then you got to connect the Bluetooth, and I don't know. It's not for me. It's not a bad mic though, but it's just not for me. This one is called AGPTEK. You know, it's a low-cost alternative. And I read some of the reviews, and it said that it was a good microphone. They even compared it to a Rode lav mic, which is kind of impressive. So anyway, it comes with this pouch. You get the lav mic with a clip-on and a foam cover. Here is an extra clip and a foam cover, and you have a straight metal 3.5 millimeter adapter. You also get the manual, obviously, which I'll take out in a bit. This is a right angle 3.5 millimeter phone jack adapter. What else we have in here? This here is a type USB-C to phone jack adapter. You also get a windscreen, which I probably might be using. It's kind of, the winds are picking up a bit here, so that's handy. Some call it a dead cat, but I would just rather call it a windscreen filter. And the manual, pretty simple. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and connect it to my other phone and show you guys what it sounds like. And I'll alternate between the phone that I'm recording with and the lav mic. Alright, so let me start recording. Hopefully, microphone check 1 2, microphone check 1 2. Hopefully you guys can hear that. I'm gonna do an annoying rub on the foam cover. Sorry about that. I know that's annoying, but I just want to make sure that it's working. Hopefully you guys can hear that and it sounds good to your ears. So yeah, so this is what it sounds like with the phone without the mic. Check 1 2, microphone check 1 2. And this is what it sounds like with the lav mic connected to the other phone. Microphone check 1 2, microphone check 1 2. So yeah, it's basically, you know, a cheap lav mic, like I said. Nothing to write home about. Hopefully it sounds good to your ears and you guys like it. It's an affordable lav mic. I'll leave a link in the description below for anyone that might be interested in buying it or just checking it out to see if it's something that you might be interested in. Hold on one second. Before I go, let me go ahead and try the mic. The wind filter here, sorry. This is what it sounds like with the wind blowing. You can see it, how it's blowing on the microphone. And that's how it sounds with the windscreen. So I wanted to make sure you guys heard that before I ended this video. So I'm gonna go and clip this on right here. Alright, now I have it clipped on. So yeah, that's basically it for this one. If you like the video, add a thumbs up to it. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, you can do that right now if you want. You're not obligated to do so, obviously. But if you like the content that I put out, feel free to subscribe to the channel and stay on top with all of the new videos that I upload in the future. Other than that, that's it. All right, see you guys.